Good day in the home, I'm your host, Will and Cloud, and welcome back to Mazda 6 or Jakuna video. This time I'm gonna fix a real bad thing. And that's annoying as hell. Now, can you imagine if it would be dark outside? But the problem is, where's the light in the glove box? Here should be light. And the light is, if you touch around left side, right here I can feel a bulb. But it's not working. As you can see, it doesn't shine against my light. So we're gonna, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the bulb or how to change the bulb to an LED bulb. So I'm gonna change that broken one to an LED so it shines bright like a diamond. That's an LED bulb. This is the same bulb that goes into my license plates. So if you have seen the license plate video, the LED upgrade, then you will know what kind of light we're talking about. And the first things we will have to do is remove the glove box, obviously, because it's in the way. If the bulb is here, I need to reach behind and attach and... Hello, no space, hello. So, yoink, yoink, and... Come on, yoink, yoink. There we go. Now, unhinge. The last hinge, there you go. That's the glove box. I can put it on the driver's seat. Now let me show you where it is. Obviously we need light. We need the light for it. And I need to make random weird noises. You see right here, this is the bulb that should shine in the glove box. And this is the cabin air filter. So this is the cabin air filter. Here is some kind of module, something I don't know. There's the light. Let's try. I never actually pulled it out, so I have no idea. Is it just the bulb or this plastic comes off? Oh, this is in the way. Oh my god, I just noticed. But there is not much space to remove it. Nor the bulb, nor that. We could actually undo this bracket, because the bracket is holding it here. Okay, how far I noticed. You cannot remove it with the fingers. You don't. I have fat fingers, or this hole is not big enough. So we have to remove this, because my fingers look smallest fingers. I cannot grab it. I cannot get to it. So basically, we have to remove this out. So we need to loosen this one. Let's see what kind of. This looks like a 10 mil. Let's see if the 10 mil actually works. 10 mil. Spot on, it's 10 mil. I would rather not unplug anything in here, as my battery is still connected. Do not unplug things that you don't have to. Basically, I'm removing this so I can get to the... Okay, this can just hang. Oh, this is Bluetooth. Let's see how we can remove this bastard. Oh, basically, you need to pull, make sure it's horizontal and pull it up. Yeah, see? You just pull this up, see? It just clips out easily. And now you can just pull out the bulb, because it just goes straight out. Hold up, let me... I need 2 arms, sorry, I do apologize, I need 2 arms. Yeah, see? It comes out. So, right here it is. This is the bulb, and we're gonna plug it in. See, there you go. That's fully plugged. And now it does not light up because you need to start the car. Now I'm gonna remove the light. So look here for a bright flash. So no, it doesn't work. Now let's switch this around. Hey! There you go. That's your light. So there you go. Now we know this light works. Let's put this back in. So basically, there is nothing to it. Just to do it. Like that and like that. That's it. That's all. And now we can put the Bluetooth thingy back. There you go. Now I'll tighten this bolt. now the glove box goes back in. No, yoink, yoink. Actually, no, too early. But where are the loops? Loops are here. You need to squeeze in, you need to squeeze in, and you need to squeeze in. Okay, there we go, and nice. Now, here we are. Let's start the car. Now if you open the glove box, aha, there is light. Aha, there is light. And the old bulb was broken. It was sheared off one side. So there you go. That's how you change the bulb in the glove box. If you liked this video was helpful, of course smash that like button, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and I hope I'll see you next video. Bye bye!